Well, Yiddish, of course, it brings a lot of nostalgia for me because it reminds me of my parents and my whole family and my growing up in that Yiddish culture. Um, I don't think I appreciated then, as I do now, the richness of Yiddish culture. And I mean, though my father was very well read in Sholem Aleichem and all the Yiddish authors, I wasn't really exposed to them very much in my youth, and it was only as I grew up and because of my orientation to Yiddish that I started to, read the Yiddish authors a little and, go to plays about Yiddish. And it definitely, anytime there's something about Yiddish, it attracts me as something that I want to know about. I think Yiddish was very close to dying out before the renaissance that seems to be occurring with places like the National Yiddish Book Center. And I hear about friends whose kids are actually majoring in Jewish studies at college. And so I think that it will survive. It won't die out, but it's certainly, not a major thing. My kids don't know anything about Yiddish except a few Yiddish expressions here or there.